Merry Hanukkah to Yule, an inclusive glimpse into our shared humanity. By me, Sarahndipity Johnsen. Solstice. My friends Alexander and Shiloh enjoy winter solstice. They celebrate the first day of winter and the days getting longer. They enjoy playing outside, singing, drinking warm drinks, and lighting lamps at night. The first day of winter. Alexander and Shiloh celebrate like our friends Amma and Elora. Billions of people celebrate the light. Diwali. My friends Amma and Elora celebrate Diwali. It's a festival of lights. They enjoy singing, lighting lamps, watching fireworks, sharing yummy food, and giving gifts. Amma and Elora celebrate like our friends Isaac and Elijah. Billions of people give gifts. Hanukkah. My friends Isaac and Elijah celebrate Hanukkah, which is also a festival of lights. They enjoy playing games, eating treats, giving gifts, and lighting candles. Isaac and Elijah celebrate like our friends Kayla and Tyrone. Billions of people light candles. With supervision. Kwanzaa. My friends Kayla and Tyrone celebrate Kwanzaa. It's a celebration of harvest and heritage. They enjoy lighting candles, giving gifts, singing, dancing, and sharing bountiful meals with loved ones. Kayla and Tyrone celebrate like our friends Maria, Emma, and Martine. Billions of people are kind to each other. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. My friends Maria, Emma, and Martine celebrate Christmas. They enjoy singing, decorating a tree with lights, hanging stockings, making gifts, and sharing sweet treats. Maria, Emma, and Martine celebrate like our friends Sebastian and Willow. Billions of people are creative. St. Nicholas Day. Sebastian and Willow celebrate St. Nicholas Day. They enjoy hanging stockings, singing songs, making lovely treats, and exchanging gifts. Sebastian and Willow celebrate like our friends Sasha and Paul. Billions of people enjoy delicious treats. Yule. Sasha and Paul celebrate Yule and the first day of winter. They enjoy lighting candles, singing, making crafts, giving gifts, playing outside, and baking tempting treats. Sasha and Paul celebrate like many of our friends around the world. Billions of people celebrate in similar ways. Billions of people celebrate light and love. How do you celebrate? From my heart to yours, happy holidays.